everyone, this is Tasha from WTI, and this is a really awesome underwater housing kit for your phone from DIVEVOLK. It gives you the ability to be able to capture a once-in-a-life moment, see an animal you've never seen again, and then when you get to the surface, be able to just replay this image or share it with a family member or share it with a friend because you've been able to record this with your own phone. This one comes with a beautiful, clear, high-quality macro close-up lens. I love all the lenses that come with it. It has a macro lens to be able to zoom in on small objects. It also comes with a filter so that the colors come out more true and more clear. It's not difficult to use. It's something that I can share with friends or other divers, and you can see just how clear the picture comes out when you're testing it above ground. You can take off the lenses and get a wider angle and just really get the scope of your surroundings when you're underwater. It's super simple to just put your phone in the case and then close it up. It's definitely 100% waterproof. No water's getting in. You already know how to use your phone. The gel makes it easy to be able to turn on the camera when you need to and just be able to record or take a picture however you want to do it with the settings from your phone. It's so beautiful to be able to get close-up video of plants, animals, and creatures under the ocean, and then be able to have those memories forever as stored video. And the included travel case is wonderful for protecting it as you travel. You will love this. That's my point of view.